Do any of you guys hold cables together with little like grocery ties? Cause I've been doing that. I'm guilty of that. But no more, because behind me up there we have the solution. And the solution is simple, guys. Have you seen these before? They're basically cable ties. You print them in TPU, so they're super malleable, super flexible. I found these in the Bambu Lab marketplace, which I'll have in the description below the like button. And yeah, I definitely need to bundle up some of these cables in specific order. It's looking like a mess back here. So you shouldn't use these because check out that wire poking out of it. And zip ties suck because if you ever need to move it, you kind of can't. And don't worry guys, I have a ton of cables under here that need some tying down, but they also need some cable clips to better route these cables better. You can see I started already over here with this white one. I'm gonna have a bunch of these and I'll show you how that works. Stay subscribed so you can see that. But let's first print out some cable ties. I love the Bambu slicer. It's super easy to work with. So all of these are a generic TPU, but I'm gonna be printing them in black, even though the pink right now. So from here, we're just going to slice the plate up top and then we can go to print plate. My TPU is loaded on my external spool, so I'm turning off my ABS. Everything looks good. It's only gonna take an hour and a half to print, 14 grams of filament, blah, 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 and let's send it. Oh, here's something important. If you ever get this warning that the printer type is not like correct, you switch it up here. I ran into this and I didn't know how to do it. So sometimes the files are loaded for a different printer. Let's just change it to ours. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon 0.4 nozzle. That's what we're doing. We got to re-slice the plate. And from here we can print it 1 hour, 22 minutes, 14.86 grams, turn off AMS and send it to the printer. It's seriously that easy. I love this thing. And from there, it's just going to take us to the device page, which will manage everything to do with this once it sends the job. Oh wait, I forgot to clean off my printer. I forgot to do it from last time. So I have TPU still on here. Hurry. Oh gosh, this is not good. Oh no, it's starting. What the hell? I need my bed scraper. Where is it? Where is the bed scraper? What the heck? I actually don't know where I put it. Fork it, we're gonna use the metal one. It's going. My cat's like, what the heck is going on? Scrape, 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 scrape. All right, get off. Oh, there's the one in the back. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Oh my gosh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. It's moving, it's legit moving. Oh shoot, I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this. Oh crap, Okay, I got it all off. Oh, we're good, guys. We got no errors. Okay. Oh, my poor cat is like, what the heck? Hi, Oliver. So I'll show you the time lapse of this, and then I'll show you the results. It's done printing, so let's go check it out. Alrighty, here we are. They all are done. It just finished printing. I let the bed cool down a little bit, so we should be good to just start peeling these off. That was one. Yeah, peeling it off from this end, no problem. All right, I'll have the filament I use in the description below, as well as everything you see here. So let's go put these on, let's try them. If you do it to where it's flat like this on the top side, it makes a bit of a difference. So on the bottom here, it's flat, right? It's all flat. You wanna do it from the top where there's kind of a bulge on the end. And that makes it easier to slip the little notches in here onto it. So I was hecka struggling before, but if I pull it close, you can see that the notch just goes straight into that cable. That's it. We're all done. That was super fast, super easy. I'll have links to these and a few similar ones in the description below, so make sure you check those out. All right, y'all, so check this out. I have more of these different cable ties here I wanted to try out that looked pretty cool and a little bit easier to use. So first, let's remove this. That was me knocking over my glass of water. I think everything's fine. I need to clean that up real quick. Okay, now that that's cleaned up, let's get back to the cable. So if you have thick cables and these aren't long enough, you can actually string them together. I don't think I need to do that for this one, but check this out. Let me clear off some of that rubbish right there and then put them together. Though this one is not as strong as the other one. Like, look, if I pull hard enough, it will come apart. The original ones that I showed you, and remember, these are still in the description below because I do like these for certain tasks. You can link these together easier. So these are definitely better for bigger cables. And unlike the other ones, the current ones that I have down here, these ones actually stay together. These ones lock a little bit easier, but that means they are a little bit harder to take apart. That's why I printed these. So let's take this cable right here and use one of these cable ties. Okay, you know what? This big cable, not a good example. Let's go with this smaller USB to USB-A cable. So for something like this, I want it to be right here in the middle. I would just take one of these. Check out how easy it is for these smaller cables. All you do is you just slip it through, you pull it, and it is latched like that. That's how easy it is. That's literally it. We're done. All right, on to the next cable. Even with like Ethernet cables, I'm telling you, with these, it is a lot easier. Line it up again, and all you do is once you put it through the hole, you're home free. You just pull it through as tight as you can, as tight as you want, and then you just find your latch, and that's all. And if you prefer to circle your cables, you can double wrap it like this. All right, so now I just wanted to show you that I'm swapping these. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna break something again. And I just really want to stress how easy it is, because I did not do a good job earlier showing how easy it is to put these cables together. Literally pull it through and cinch it down. Boom, that's it. That's how simple it is. Second thing with this one. All right, I'm gonna try to not break anything this time. All right, now, boom, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, slop, just like that. And then let's set it up so we can have these two combined for the big cable. So we don't need that much extra slack, so I'm gonna put it on the second to the end. Boom, it's in just like that. Just made a longer one. And now we can take the big cable and just go around town till we reach the knob, and from here just close it up. We can do the one at the end, pushing it through. I'm like really straining this, and the other one has not come apart. So, oh yeah, super good. This is really on there. All right, guys, now that's the end of the video. So these ones for shorter cables, you could probably extend it to make it even longer. So I think these are all the way. If you modify it to make it longer, it works with even longer cables. And I have a secret in the description below. Okay, well, it's not a secret anymore. I'll tell you what it is. There are like zip tie versions of these. So go check those out. Those are really cool.